सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग इस लेक्चर में बात करने वाले हैं आरएमएस एंड एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ एनी वेवफॉर्म। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द एकेटीयू सिलेबस आपके पास किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। तो बेसिकली टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आए हैं आपके। फर्स्ट है, आपको कोई भी इक्वेशन दे सकते हैं, जैसे I इक्वल्स टू आई एम साइन ओमेगा टी, और it can be V equals to Vm sin omega t. So by comparing from these two equations, you can easily find different parameters like maximum value, instantaneous value, RMS value, average value, frequency, time period, angular frequency, form factor, peak factor. But type 2, if waveform is given, then calculate RMS, average, form factor, peak factor. तो हम ये सभी कैसे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, तो आज हम लोग इस लेक्चर में इन सब चीजों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो लेट अस एज्यूम अ साइन वेव, ओके। So this is a voltage and there is a some theta. Okay, so there is something. Okay, so this is some value 0 and this is pi, this is 2 pi, and this is pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 2. Basically it is a rectifier version of this waveform. There is a sine wave with respect to theta, and this is a rectified waveform. Okay, so our task is calculate RMS and average of this. Okay, so what do you mean by average? Okay, what do you mean by average? So let us assume that this is V average. it is area of a curve over a cycle. Then this is length of a base over a cycle. It can be written as 0 to pi v of d theta upon pi. So let v is a alternating quantity and it can be written as Vm sine theta. Okay, the axis is in theta, that's why it is in theta. If axis is in omega t, then theta is replaced with omega t. Okay. Okay, then calculate v average. So it can be written as 1 upon pi. So we can integrate from 0 to pi because after pi it is repeated. So we calculate RMS and average for a one cycle. Okay, after pi it is repeated. So now take Vm sine theta and d theta. After solving this integration, I hope all of you know integration very well, and this comes. This is pi and 0, so it can be minus of cos pi minus cos 0. So V average, it can be written as 2Vm upon pi. Or 0.637 times of maximum value of voltage. So this is the average value of a sinusoidal waveform. Then what about the RMS value? RMS value. Okay. Then VRMS is area of a square curve over a cycle upon length of base over a cycle. So we can write it here as VRMS. This is 1 upon pi 0 to pi and V m sine theta the whole square d theta. So after solving this integration, we get this Vm square upon pi 0 to pi half 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as Vm square 2 pi theta minus sine 2 theta upon 2. After putting the upper value, upper limit and lower limit, we get Vm square upon 2 pi minus 0 minus Vm square upon 4 pi sine 2 pi minus sine 0. So Vrms equals to Vm upon root. Or it can be written as 0.707 times of Vm. These are the standard results. This is standard results. Okay, you should be very careful and you should be remember these formula. Okay, so now tell me about the form factor. Form factor. As you know that form factor is the ratio of RMS value to the average value. So this is Vmy root 2 upon 2Vm upon pi. So we get 1.1. These are the standard results. These are the standard results. Okay. Now the question number 2. What are the RMS and average value of a given waveform, which is this is 0 to pi and this is 2 pi to 3 pi. And this is the half wave rectified output. Okay, and this is we get from this. Okay. Okay. So by calculating V average, this is now the time period. देखें यहां से लेकर के यहां तक. This is the time period of this. So 1 upon 2 pi. Okay. Now take the area from 0 to 2 pi. Be careful about the limits. Vm sine theta and d theta. Okay. Now by solving this, we get Vm upon 2 pi minus cos theta okay. It can be written as 1 upon 2 pi 0 to pi Vn sine theta d theta and pi to 2 pi is 0. So here the limit is pi and 0. And after putting these values, we get the answer V average equals to V naught upon pi. So this is the exactly half of the previous average voltage. Okay. So now calculate RMS value of this. RMS value. So we calculate VRMS. This is 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi Vm sine theta to the power of square and d theta. After solving this is something 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi we can say that just 1 upon 2 pi 0 to pi Vm square sin square theta d theta plus pi 2 pi Vm square sin square theta d theta, and it should be Vrms to the power of square. So by solving this integral we get the answer Vrms square upon Vm square upon 4 pi theta sin 2 theta upon 2 and limit is this. So it can be Vm square upon 4 pi minus 0 minus Vm square upon 8 pi sin 2 pi minus sin 0. So Vrms square equals to Vm square upon 4. So we can say that Vrms equals to maximum value upon 2. This is the RMS value of the half wave rectified waveform. Now we calculate form factor. So this is RMS value upon average value. This is V0 by 2, or we can say that Vm by 2. And this is Vm upon 5. So it comes 1.57. Okay. So now there is a question 3. Triangular waveform. What should be the value if this is V and this is T? And there is a point. The cycle is this, time period is this, and this is A. The maximum value is A. It can be any value. So what are the RMS and average and form factor of this waveform? So first of all, we have to write the equation of the line, or simply the slope of a line. Okay, so this is a 0 and 0 point, and this is T, this is T, this is 2T, and this is 3T. So this is T cross A. Okay, so just writing the slope, which is M, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so this is A minus 0 and T minus 0. Okay, so this is A upon T. This is the slope. Okay. So if it is waveform, if it is this, then you can say that or just by using this formula. Okay. In the previous, consider this is the point A, and there is something maximum value of Vm. So this is Vm. So by using this formula, as we are studied this in earlier, we get the V in terms of this Vm upon T into T. This is the equation. Okay. So just by putting the formula V average, this is 1 upon T, 0 to T, V of dt. Okay. So you get 1 upon T, 0 to 2. Put the value of V, this which is Vm upon T into T dt. So we get 1 upon T square, 0 to T, and this is Vm. So this is T square by 2. Okay, this is T square by 2. Now Vm upon T square, and this is T square upon 2. So this is Vm upon 2. So V average is Vm upon 2. Now we calculate RMS value, which is VRMS का whole square upon time period 0 to T and V square of dt. Just putting the value of V, we get this Vm upon T into T to the power. So and this is TQ upon 3 and T 0. So VRMS equals to Vm square upon 3, and we can say that VRMS equals to Vm under root 3. Okay, so form factor, which is RMS value upon average value. So RMS value is Vm root 3 times, and this is Vm by root 2. So this is 1.1547. Okay, so till now we studied full waveform, half wave waveform and triangular waveform. Okay, now we get the next problem is clipped waveform. Clipped waveform. This is very interesting. Actually, in this question, this is the scenario. This is the maximum value of a voltage or a current or any quantity, and this is any theta or any axis. If we cut this, or we can say that the structure of waveform is this. Okay, so this part is clipped off. This part is clipped off. Okay, then what are the RMS and average value? This is quite interesting topic. So for average value, the time period, this is 0, this is pi, and this is 2. So the time period is pi. So 1 upon pi, 0 to pi v d theta, and it can be written as 1 upon pi. Okay, so in this case it should be known. These points should be known. These points should be known. These points should be known. So this is pi by 4 and this is 3 pi by 2. So this is 1 upon pi to the 0 to pi by 4 Vm sine theta d theta plus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 Bm and this should be a constant value which should be given. So this is given in question. This is Vm by root 2. Okay, so it should be Vm by root 2. This is a constant, so this sign term will not be here, plus 3 pi to 3 pi by 4 to pi. Okay, there should be Vm sine theta d theta d theta. Okay, so by solving these equations, this and this integral part you should solve, and exact answer is V average equals to 0.54 times of maximum value of voltage. Okay, similarly we can calculate RMS value. Which is Vrms square 1 upon pi 0 to pi v square d theta, and the value should be put here according to the limits. So 1 upon pi 0 to pi by 4 and Vm square sine square theta d theta, and this comes in 2 times, so that's why we multiply by 2 here, plus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, and there is a constant value whose amplitude is Vm by root 2 to the square and d theta. So by solving this, we get the RMS value. We get the RMS value 0.30845 Vm square. So here we can get the value Vrms equals to 0.5838 Vm. Okay, so there is a problem. There is a next problem, which you can solve easily. It should be like this. So actually, waveform starts here from pi by 4 to pi, and this pi plus pi by 4 to 2 pi, and there is the maximum value, which is Vm. This is V. So calculate RMS and average value of this. So as you can see that time period is pi plus pi by 4 to, which is pi. So we calculate V average, which is time period to the power. यहाँ पर हम लोग पाई बाई 4 से लेंगे, बिकॉज वेवफॉर्म एग्जिस्ट कहां से कर रही, पाई बाई 4 टू पाई, एंड इट शुड बी Vm sin theta d theta. So this is Vm upon pi minus cos theta, and this is pi and pi by 4. By solving this integral, we can get 1.07. This should be the average value. Now, what about the RMS value? So it should be Vrms upon equals 1 upon 2 pi by 4 to pi Vm square sin square theta d theta, and it can be solved by this Vm square upon 2 pi by 4 to pi 1 minus cos 2 theta, and by solving this integral we get this Vrms equals to 0.4545 Vm square. So Vrms equals to 0.6742 Vm. Okay. So there is a last question based on this. There is any value. So there is, this is the question. This is V. There is a linear, after that there is a constant, and after that there is a decreasing slope. So this is the instant. This is the there is something alpha, this is pi, and this is 0, and this instant is pi minus alpha, this is b, and this is a, and the amplitude of this is vn. Okay, so calculate RMS and average of this. So first of all we have to find the equations. Okay, so we get the equations like this is Vm upon, from this region, Vm upon alpha theta from 0 to alpha, and this is Vm from alpha to pi minus alpha, and v equal, and this is Vm upon alpha pi minus theta, this is from pi minus alpha to pi. This can be solved. How हमने ये कैसे ले लिया है, इक्वेशंस कैसे सॉल्व किया है, 10th में हमने जो पढ़ा था ना, सिंपल उसकी वजह से जो हम स्लोप निकालते थे ना, जो पीछे मैंने फॉर्मूला लिखा है उससे हमने ये सब कैलकुलेट किया है। उसके लिए हमको ये सारे पॉइंट्स पता होना चाहिए। सो देयर इज अ इंक्रीजिंग स्लोप एंड देयर इज अ कांस्टेंट and this is decreasing slope, so we have to calculate this 2 points. After considering these 2 points, this is and this is, so there is a slope 1, so we can say that there is a slope 1, and this is slope 1, slope 2, slope 3, 1 2 3. So now the game is over. Okay, now the game is over. So V average, here we can, V average is the area over half cycle. Okay, so we calculate directly 1 upon 2, this is length and this is height, plus this is the area of a triangle, and this is the area of a rectangle. Okay, so this is pi minus 2 alpha into Vm, and this is something area of triangle, plus 1 upon 2 into alpha into Vm. So V average is this. Okay, and basically this is a area. So V average is pi minus alpha times of Vm over pi, because this is a time period. This is a time period. So this is average. How we get RMS value? So RMS value can be calculated like this. Okay, so by putting the equation from 1 upon pi 0 to alpha, we have equation Vm upon alpha into theta d theta, plus from alpha to pi minus alpha, we have a constant which is Vm. So Vm square d theta plus pi minus alpha to pi, which is there is a equation Vm square upon alpha square pi minus theta to the power square d theta. So by solving this, we get Vrms Vm 1 minus 4 alpha upon 3 pi. So in this lecture, the important point is, if any waveform is given, then calculate time period first of all, then integrate, So for V average is 1 upon time period, limit, lower limit to upper limit, and quantity. Okay, so by using this technique, you can find RMS value, average value, form factor, P factor for any waveform. Okay, I hope this lecture will help you in upcoming exam. Okay, so एक बार अच्छे से देख लीजिए साहब, और जिस किसी को भी इंटीग्रेशन में प्रॉब्लम है, they can ask me. Okay.